Welcome back to Earn Online with Rabina. Today, we're about to take a ride into the world of Hollywood legend Denzel Washington, but this time, it's not about the movies, it's about his impressive car collection. Denzel, known for his powerful performances, also has a taste for luxurious automobiles. Let's explore some of the remarkable cars in his collection. From sleek classics like the Ford Mustang to the sophistication of a Range Rover, Denzel's garage boasts an array of automotive gems. But it's not just about style, it's about his love for cars and the stories they tell. Each vehicle is a testament to his success and passion. Denzel's car collection is a reflection of his remarkable journey in the entertainment industry, where hard work and dedication have paid off in more ways than one. So, there you have it, a glimpse into Denzel Washington's impressive car collection. If you're fascinated by celebrities and their passions, stay tuned for more on Earn Online with Rabina. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting celebrity spotlights and lifestyle insights.